Pick it. Yeah, who's there? Yeah, come in.
Come on, ma.
Morning.
Yeah, ma. I want to tidy up.
Alright, go ahead.
Would you excuse me? I will do it by you.
No, no, no. You can do it like that. I'm okay here. Shh. Clean it. Clean it. And don't look at me like that. Okay?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
paying you, so you do what I want.
Okay, ma. Sorry.
Hey! Clean it. Don't look at. Are you looking at me?
No, ma. Sorry.
You dare not. You dare not.
Yes, ma. Sorry.
Good boy. Hey, hey, hey. Look at under the seat. Did you see that? Are you even checking what you're doing?
Sorry, ma.
Johnny?
Yes,
Pick it. You're gonna wash it for me, okay? Once you're done, you go and wash it for me with your hands. Don't use the washing machine. Have I made myself clear?
yes, ma.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Good boy. And drop it there. Drop the broom at the Baccarat side. Fast! So take off your apron, come to the bed and get me satisfied. I am not asking you, it's an order. Take off your apron and your knicker, you zip down, come and get me satisfied.
I don't.
You start by massaging my feet, then you put it for me. You know what?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
I don't understand what you mean.
What don't you understand? I said take off your apron, pull your trouser, and get me satisfied. Put for me. You don't know what putting is? You don't know when you do a woman something like this?
Hey, madam.
Huh?
Please, I'm just a cleaner. I'm not
Excuse me?
a nagging dog.
Do I look... Excuse me?
Sorry, ma'am.
You dare talk back at me?
No, I'm sorry.
You're even questioning me. That means you're trying to tell me that I'm blind. I don't know that you're a cleaner.
Yeah, I'm just.
Shh. Have it. Have it! Listen, I don't like being stressed or shouting. So, And stop looking at me like you don't look at me directly like that. Do you get it?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Good. Now, name your price. Name your price. What do you want? 1 million, 2 million, or 3 million?
Madam, I don't understand. You're speaking in parables. You just gave me condom. You move your this thing and you're telling me to name my price. I'm under your payroll now, so what's the essence of me naming my price? What am I doing that you're asking me to name my price?
So, all this language that I'm speaking here does not, as in you don't understand any. I asked you to take off your apron, sit down. I have given you condom. Come to the bed and get me satisfied. Name your price. What don't you get? Ah,
Madam,
for Christ's sake.
madam, I don't.
You don't what? You don't what?
I'm sorry.
Make use of the door.
Eh? Hey, madam, please.
No,
Madam,
no, no, no,
please.
no, no.
Please.
I don't.
Madam,
Whether you
please
want to
don't
kneel down, lie down. Do I look like I care?
No, madam, please.
I don't care.
This is my only.
It's either I've given you condom, keep your apron, pull your trouser down, fix that condom, come to the bed and get me satisfied. And I've asked you to mention your price. Stand up. Will you stand up from there? Good. Stand it. Don't stand it. Have you showered?
Yes, madam.
Did you use the roller I gave to you?
Yes, madam.
You're sure?
Yes, madam.
You see this? You're gonna massage it. I just want to tell you how I like it, okay?
Okay,
You take it easy on it.
Yes, madam.
I'll leave you to suck it. Hmm?
Yes, madam.
Gently.
Yes,
You
madam.
give me head. You know what head is?
No, madam.
I'm gonna teach you everything. Okay, head. It's when you use your tongue. Hmm?
Yes, madam.
You come down.
Yes, madam.
I'll open my legs. You put your head inside and lick it. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Good boy. So, like I said it earlier, I'll put myself on seven with my legs
Okay, madam.
first. Cool. Will me that self as properly.
Sorry, madam.
Ha! Pull me up. Mm. So, let me see what I'm gonna be eating. Alright.
Madam.
So we're gonna go to the bed like this. Stop behaving as if you're scared. What's wrong with you? Feel free and stop shaking.
Okay, madam.
It's something you're gonna enjoy, okay? Decide. I'll give you money. Is it not money you want? You want money, right?
Yes, madam.
So just lay down for me.
Madam.
Hmm?
You sure about this?
Very sure.
Madam.
Don't you want it?
I do.
And I'm giving you money, right?
Yes, madam.